Some biggest headlines of today. Firstly, Amazon will require employees to return to the office 5 days a week, starting from next year, tightening its previous 3 days mandate, with CEO Andy Jassy emphasizing the importance of in-person collaborations and connection in a letter to staff. Secondly, RBI has imposed 1 crore penalty on HDFC Bank for violating guidelines on engagement of recovery agents, including contacting customers outside permissible hours, which breaches privacy and customer service norms. Thirdly, a report by Atlantic Council revealed that 134 countries, representing 98% of the global economy, are exploring central bank digital currencies, with nearly half in advanced stage, and nations like China, Bahamas, and Nigeria seeing an increase in central bank digital currency usage. Fourth, SEBI has withdrawn its earlier statement regarding employees' protests, assuming that all the concern will be addressed internally and through proper channels. Fifth, Jio users across India experienced a network outrage on 17th of September 2024, with over 10,000 reports of issues primarily involving no signals and mobile internet disruption, as users through social media with the hashtag JioDown express their concern. 6. Foreign banks operating in India are seeking clarity from Reserve Bank of India on trading norms due to a regulatory dispute with the European Securities and Market Authorities, which de-recognized India's Clearing Corporation of India Limited, while the third-party models is under consideration to allow continued participation in India bonds, and it is unlikely to be ready before October 24. The banks have requested the RBI to relax certain rules until a long-term solution is found. 7th, Delivery has partnered with Team Global Logistics to enhance its ocean freight services, expanding it less than the container load, reaching over 120 countries, offering an integrated logistics solutions for business and streamlining global trade operations. 8th, Myntra is testing a 4-hour delivery services in Bangalore, New Delhi, and other 2 cities, aiming to align with growing quick commerce market in India, with plan to expand by year-end as faster delivery services and become increasingly demanded across the e-commerce sector. 9th, Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal will launch the Bharat Startup Knowledge Access Registry initiative to create a digital hub for startups, investors, and mentors, and government bodies, fostering collaborations and providing centralized resources for India's startup ecosystem. And for more videos like this, you can follow us.